Hello everyone, so how to use VoiceAvatar app. So here is the app. It's actually super simple. So the idea is that you just record your voice and it transforms it to sound similar as either some famous person, artist, some movie character, or some just adding some effect. So to sign up, you just sign up and you need to give access to your camera, mic, and then to your agree to process your voice. So yeah, there are just standard avatars here, and then there are ones which have V. So for ones which have V, you need to wait longer. So for example, let's try to sound like this. Hello, it's a test voice.
Hello, it's a test voice.
So yeah, as you can see right now, so it kind of should sound like Obama, and then you can share it this video, or you can just download it. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, when you just download, it will be saved to your photos. So that's pretty cool. And all of this stuff is for free. So I don't know, to sound like Homer Simpson. Let's try that. But yeah, you will need to upgrade to Pro to use these specific voices. So to upgrade for Pro, you can see these options. So either 1 year for $60, 1 month for 15, 1 week for 10. So something like that. But you can also just wait. So that's about that super simple app, and have fun. You can also just search for avatars here.